Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and now it is time for a new Motivation Monday. Only trouble is I'm a little bit motivated after not doing anything. Oh God, yesterday I was so wiped from everything, from all of the excitement and the socialing. That's a word I use quite a bit in this household, but all of the stuff from this weekend's Card Maker Success Summit that I vegged out planning on just a little bit of time to kind of decompress my brain and still being in a couple of chats and that sort of thing, playing Disney Dreamlight Valley yesterday. And next thing I know, it's dinner time. So I didn't get any work done yesterday. It was basically a very much of a decompression day, and I was totally wiped from all of the fun over the weekend. So I hope that you guys got a chance to catch some of those presentations and the live Q&A chats afterwards and all the fun things from the Card Maker Success Summit. It was a blast. If you have not gotten a chance to see any of that and you still want your chance to do it, because all of the classes only had a 24-hour window for you to see them, you can still get the all access pass, and I'll have a link down below this video. But I still want to do Motivation Monday, and I am a little motivated to get some things done that I should have done over the weekend. Number one, I'm going to go to the gym this morning. The last couple of weeks I've been doing mostly walking in my neighborhood, and because I did that, I was able to get that done before the video. Today, I am recording instead of going live because I'm going to go head over to the gym and then I'm going to do some shopping. I've got some things to pick up from Target, like a new scale, because our scale finally died after like 15 years. But I've got to get a little bit of shopping and stuff done, head to the grocery store, that sort of thing. So I want to get all of that kind of stuff done this morning, but I can't do that when I've got things overlapping too much, you know? I did want to come on and actually hang out with you guys for just a couple of minutes anyway, and go over kind of what I've got planned for this next week. I have not yet made a new schedule image for me to post everywhere, so I do plan on getting that up probably sometimes later today. But the plan for this week right now, and of course, things always change, and I usually add something else, right? But right now, it's a pretty light week. We've got Motivation Monday to help you guys get moving on your Monday morning without getting overstressed, no stress, without getting overstressed, but feel like you're moving in the right direction and getting to do some of the fun things that you want to get done, but need a little push to get started on, because I know I need that, right? Okay, so we've got that. I'm planning on going on to Twitch with a live stream later today, probably around noon, maybe a little bit later. And I'm planning on doing some kind of behind the scenes recording during that. I may change it up a little bit and just do either some crafting or some organizing, oh my God, or something of that nature. So getting some of the things done that I need to get done, but at the same time hanging out with some of my crafty or gaming friends. I may even pull up a game or two sometime during this stream. And those usually, those are planned for like maybe 2 hours, and sometimes they go longer. Anyhow, and then we've got a Tuesday night, we're going to do another Crafting with Debbie Live. You can tell this is kind of early in the morning. I have not even had a cup of coffee yet, and my sinuses are not being very helpful this morning, but I figure once I get moving around and I get to the gym and I get the blood flowing, it's going to help my sinuses clear and my throat clear so I can talk a little bit better. So it should be sounding a little bit better later on today. So Tuesday is Crafting with Debbie Live. I had so much fun on that Q&A and watching all the videos, but on the Q&A where I was live with you guys on Stamp Me Some Love's channel during the summit, and there were so many questions about foiling, and I didn't get to them all. I am planning on going back through that video, back through all of the questions in the chat and answering them in the chat, but also doing another live stream later on, probably in about a week or so, and a second Q&A. But I'm also inspired by some of the questions as to some things I want to bring in. So when you guys ask me questions, it usually prompts me to do something including that kind of a question into one of my videos. I don't know if you guys knew that. Yes, sometimes the list gets long, but sometimes I've got nothing to work with, so I just try to do stuff out of the top of my head. And you know that how that goes, right? On Wednesday is March the 1st. So that means we've got our new releases for different companies coming out. Spellbinders clubs are on the 1st, so I'm planning on doing an unboxing and video with that. On Tuesday, that is Wednesday. On Thursday, I've got my first video for Not Too Shabby for the month of March, and that is using the new stamp and die. And then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I don't have anything planned as content coming out. However, one of the things that this weekend also got me thinking a lot about is other types of content that I want to get done. I want to start doing some short form videos more so. I want to do more classes. I want to do more just regular videos for you guys. There's a lot of different things that I want to work on, and sometimes having a little bit of downtime in between things that are going up live is also going to give me more time to work on some of those things. So even if you don't see me, I am working behind the scenes to bring more content to you guys. If you have any kind of ideas or questions or anything like that of things that you'd like for me to answer or like for me to cover, please send me an email to Debbie J. Let's see, which email do I want to use? We'll go with my regular one, Debbie J at DebbieJ'sCraftingCorner.com. Again, Debbie J at DebbieJ'sCraftingCorner.com, and put in the subject line ideas or in the subject line questions. So that way it's going to pop in my email and it's going to let me know right away that these are some things that I need to put at the top of my list, because I'm going to start making sure that I'm using a running list of ideas that you guys have and questions that you guys have, so I can try to get those taken care of first before all the other content that kind of just, I get inspired everywhere I go. I've shown you guys that. I'll be out for a walk and I'll have ideas, and I've even got, I have to make sure I carry my phone. If I don't carry my phone, it doesn't work, but I'll carry my phone and I'll record myself a message. Bad part is I don't always check those. I don't know about you. I'm the same way with lists. I write down a list and doesn't always, I write down a grocery list pretty much every week, and then when I go to the store, I forget to take the list. But the act of writing it down puts all of those items kind of top of mind so that I don't forget to pick them up most of the time. Sometimes I do have to go back for a second if it's one thing, a one-off that I forgot to do. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. I know that this is short. I know that you wanted to see me live, and I do plan on doing the lives again starting on next week. Right now, I just need to get some stuff done because I am motivated to get some things done today, and it's going to be a great day. It's going to be a great week, and until later, I will talk to you guys. I will talk to you guys real soon. You guys have a wonderful day, and remember that if I can make it, you can too. Bye, guys.